Well, I don't know. I think we found the vehicle we was looking for. With the historic plate, it say Rolls. It's for sale. It needs some work, but you know, I'm a handyman after that. Has a bunch of stuff inside, and it is very nice. And there's a Volvo, old Volvo. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna buy like a brand new car like this, or we're gonna buy something like this. All right, I would always take this over that, but that's just me. But just for the company, all right, just we're doing this for the company. I think we're gonna start negotiation right away here. Something is going on in this area. I've known this place for a while. There is a crazy guy here that sell these cars, and they live in containers. And this one is you see, it's kind of protected, well protected. So it is just needs to be polished and yeah, a little bit of work. Yeah, we don't want to buy the latest model. All right, this will do. It's just you know, you can get jealous a little bit. All right.